Okay, we're going to take a look at a taper lock pulley, and this particular one is fitted to a Sykes water pump. It's driving the priming pump off the water pump. So there you can see the taper lock pulley. You can see it's held in place by two grub screws, 1, 2. And if you want to remove it, what you do is you remove both the grub screws and then put one of the grub screws back in place in the third hole. And this has the effect of causing the centre of the taper lock to withdraw. So we're going to show you that now. So there's the grub screw going back into the third hole. So if you look closely, you can see the actual centre of the taper lock begin to move out. Here she goes. So we get it out there. We're going to have a closer look at it in our hands. So take up the inner and the outer. So here you can see the taper on it. And if you look here, there's the grub that we use to withdraw it. So that's the only threaded part there. And then in the outer part of the pulley, you can see that's also tapered. And you have threads here and here to receive the grub screws that hold the whole thing in place. So we just show the two parts fitting together now. We need to take that grub out, will we? I'm just going to whip that grub screw out. Now the inner and the outer part of the pulley will only go together in one direction. So you can't really get it wrong. The holes will only line up. So we show you the holes lining up in the wrong way first. And we show you with all 4 holes lining up. So you can see there, you get 1 hole lined up with the other 3 are out. So you move it around until you get all the holes to line up. So just withdraw your thumb there. Okay, so now we can see that the 3 holes have lined up. So that's the way your pulley goes back on, so we're going to refit it now. And the crucial thing when you're refitting these pulleys is that pulley can position anywhere along this shaft. So the crucial thing is that you line it up perfectly with the driving pulley. So when we get the taper lock pulley mounted there, let me show you how we go about that. And she's going on. So then you get a rule or some such. You make sure that you're perfectly in line. So there you can see our lining up. And then it's just a matter of putting back in the 2 grub screws into the 2 holes. There's your taper lock pulley safely refitted.